In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this inside pull handle on this Volkswagen Beetle. It's located right here, attached to the door panel. Let's get into it. We're going to take this part of the handle off. There's a little cover right here. Just use a trim tool, get underneath and on the sides and pop it out. There is some clips that should hold that in. They're a little bit broken on this. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, take the screws out. There's one here, and there's also one right there. Slide those out. Now before you put this handle on, we are going to have to cut right here and right here. Most of the times these handles break in the middle here, so this is going to reinforce it so you don't have that problem happening. So we're just going to very carefully cut here and here. You can always use some side cutters. Just peel away. Just be careful. You don't want to cut anything you don't want to. It's easier to cut a little bit and then go back and cut some more if you need to. Once you've trimmed this up so that it works and it sits as low as you can get it, then we're going to put the bolts in and take the screws and the washers, get those started and snug those down. You have these little caps. These little caps are going to go on. Lock those in place. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.